Hello guys, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy KADUNAPIKIN. I have some real interesting gist for you guys today. Well, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget hit the subscribe button and don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Well, let's dive straight into the gist. You guys can all remember on the 8th of April 2020, a group of Chinese doctors visited Nigeria despite all our protests. Now guys, remember, these so-called Chinese doctors were meant to come and assist us in the fight against COVID-19. But listen to this.
A team of Chinese doctors and experts have arrived in Nigeria to assist the country in tackling the coronavirus pandemic. The team, which arrived in Nigeria through the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, was received by a federal government delegation and by the Minister of Health, Kano. The Chinese team of doctors and experts came along with a new consignment of kits and medical equipment. Speaking
This kit they are talking about, I'm not even sure if all the items that were inside here were all protective gears, nose masks, hand gloves, and all those things. But since they said those were the items that were inside, let's just leave it at that.
After their arrival, Kano thanked the Chinese government for sending experts and equipment to assist Nigeria in tackling the coronavirus.
Listen to what the Minister of Health had to say on that day that he went to the airport to receive these so-called Chinese doctors who were meant to be guests of the federal government because they were actually here to help us in the fight against COVID-19. But listen to what he has to say.
Coronavirus pandemic. Experts will be quarantined for 14 days before they begin working fully in Nigeria.
They will be in quarantine for 14 days. They knew that before they came, and they have undergone tests before they left their country. Nevertheless, they will be in quarantine for 14 days. Nigeria NCDC are going to see where they are supposed to be in quarantine and will continue to pay. They are free to pay visits there for the 14 days. So that one is taken care of. But the equipment that has come today, we are very happy to see. The second consignment from China after the Japan consignment. In the first place, the medical team that came from India are experts in managing viral diseases generally. And this is a viral disease also.
Okay.
But you know that the coronavirus is a novel virus, said to be a new virus. So it has new dimensions which are new to us, which even the experts among us would like to know more about.
Now guys, after seeing that video, is it just my eyes or did I not see clearly that the person speaking in that video was actually the health minister, Dr. Osagi? Now, listen to this again. Few weeks after he went to the airport to receive these so-called Chinese doctors, this is what he had to say. Now I'll read it for you guys. An exasperated Minister of Health, Osagi Eheneri, on Thursday requested reporters not to bother his ministry over the whereabouts of Chinese medical experts who came into Nigeria to support the fight against COVID-19. Mr. Eheneri, while responding to questions at the Delhi Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 briefing on Thursday, said the medical personnel are not guests of the federal government, but CCECC, a construction company, a Chinese construction company in Nigeria. CCECC is actually a construction company that is owned by the Chinese government in Nigeria. So these so-called Chinese doctors that this same health minister, Dr. Osagi Eheneri, went to the airport to receive on the 8th of April, which were supposed to be guests of the federal government of Nigeria. Now he's saying they are no longer guests of the federal government. They are guests of CCECC, construction company that is owned by the Chinese government in Nigeria. Can you guys listen to that? For Christ's sake, what was the Minister of Health doing at the airport receiving guests that were not guests to federal government? Minister of Health in Nigeria receiving guests that are not I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Now listen to another thing. This is what this man had to say again. I'm not even done with him yet. Just listen. Let me read it for you guys again. I want to explain that, first of all, I think not all of them are doctors, and I heard that some of them are technicians, but they are staff of CCPCC. He doesn't even know, but he wants to explain to us, first of all, that he thinks not all of them are doctors. He heard that some of them were technicians. Now let me ask you a question. Come closer. Between COVID-19 and then 5G network installation, which among these two needs technicians? After much questions and shouting, where are these doctors? This is what was voted also. Managing Director, China Civil Engineering Construction Company, Nigeria Limited, Markel Igor, says the 15-man Chinese team that arrived in the country on April 8 are in the company's care. Igor, who made the disclosure on Monday in Abuja, while reacting to concerns as to the whereabouts of the team, said the team would be leaving soon. The team will be leaving soon. They are done with what they came to do. Yeah, they'll be leaving soon. Now, I feel there's something this government are not telling us. Now, you brought in a team of 15 doctors, and then you said they are here to help us fight against COVID-19. Then, some weeks later, the health minister is now coming to say they are not guests of the federal government, they are not guests to federal government. We should not ask them questions as to their whereabouts. And after much pressure and then questions as to their whereabouts, now the managing director of the CCECC is now coming forward to tell us they are done with their work now, the technicians, and they will be leaving the country soon. Now, how do you debunk this rumor that is going around social media? There's actually a voice note. People are crying and shouting in Kano that the reason why people were dying mysteriously in Kano was because they turned on the 5G network in Kano. I'm just saying, you tell me what you think, if it's true or not. I know lots of you think they have information. Lots of you guys out there are 5G gurus. You've read stuff. You don't even take time to go and make your own research. You just go to Google and then see work that someone has done, and then you come forward to social media and then keep blabbing. One advice I have for you guys, if you don't know anything concerning this conspiracy of 5G and COVID-19 having some relationship, please just shut up. If you don't know, keep quiet. Well, all you need to do is just keep quiet and then pay attention to people who have real facts and then information, so that together all of us can get to learn new things. Now, actually, there is another video of some technicians, or should I call them engineers, in the UK. You know, when they are fixing these 5G marks, there are certain things that they were told not to do. There is one membrane, I think one chip like that or something, that they used to attach to the network marks of that 5G. They were specifically told not to open it. But trust me now, some stubborn ones inside opened that membrane, and then let me just allow you see what they found out inside, so that you can keep shouting next time when they say COVID-19 has some relationship to 5G, or you keep quiet. I'm just saying. Let me play the video for you, then you tell me what you think.
Look, I don't know the best way to do this, but virtually erecting 5G masts on towers like the one behind me for the past few weeks while everybody else is being locked down. We don't crack open these kits because we're specifically asked not to. But perhaps the best thing is for me to show you. It's best if I just show you. Look, it's a piece of fucking 5G kit, and it says COVID-19 on it. I don't really know of any product.
I hope you can see it clearly.
That produces circuitry like
COVID-19.
That's the brand name, COVID-19.
Next time, keep making noise.
Circuit board. conspiracy theorists. Obviously, I've read all that stuff online about coronavirus and COVID-19, but why the fuck are they putting circuitry like that in towers like that? I just don't fucking understand.
Well, that's it. Guess what? I'm just saying. I don't know if it's true that coronavirus has some relationship with COVID-19. You know. So please hit me up on the comment section and then let me know what you think concerning all this conspiracy theory. Please, we get to learn things together. And please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified the next time when I drop videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.